G'day crew, I'm Oscar Pelazon and welcome to another episode of Tube Time Tuesday. I'm down here at Trig Beach. A few little runners on offer out there. There's a little left and a little right. The nor'wester's blowing and Trig Point loves a nor'wester. So before I go out into that boardroom to get us a couple, I thought I'd join you this week in the boardroom and talk to you about networking. And networking is one of those things we all know we should do, but most business owners get it wrong or don't do it well. And I recently spoke with a business owner who, over the last 18 months, attended 3 to 4 networking events a week, met 500 people, and picked up just 7 clients. Now, he was new to Perth and thought that's what he needed to do to get his business cranking. And guess what? I think you all agree, that's a brutal conversion rate. So today, I'm breaking down the 5 biggest networking mistakes that waste your time and effort. Firstly, there's no follow-up. Networking isn't just about collecting business cards. It's about building relationships. Most people never follow up, and that's where they fail. So to fix it, follow up within 48 hours when you've had a good connection with someone at an event. A simple message to reconnect, say good day, and initiate some further contact can be the difference between a missed opportunity and a new client. 2, competing instead of connecting. Too many networking events feel like a business version of the Hunger Games. Everyone's pitching, trying to outshine each other. To fix it, stop selling and start listening. Ask better questions. Find ways to help others and let relationships build naturally. And find networking events where it's not a free-for-all. Thirdly, attending unstructured events. If the event is just a casual drink with no agenda, no introductions, and no clear value, you're wasting your time. Ultimately, it just becomes a piss-up. Fix it. Choose structured events that encourage real conversations and connections. If there's no purpose, don't go. Fourthly, inconsistent attendance. Showing up once or twice won't build trust. People refer business to those they know, like, and trust, and that takes time and effort. To fix it, pick 1 or 2 groups that you think can generate good revenue and opportunities for you, and show up regularly and give as much as you take. Become part of the community. And finally, hunting for leads instead of building relationships. Networking isn't a quick win sales game. If you're just looking for leads, you're going to struggle. The best opportunities often come months after the first meeting. So to fix it, focus on giving before you expect anything in return. Help others, add value, and the opportunities will start to come your way. And final thought, network smarter, not harder. Networking isn't about meeting more people. It's about meeting the right people and building better connections. So, follow up, stop competing and start connecting, choose structured events, show up consistently, and focus on relationships, not quick wins. The business owner I spoke with is now networking smarter, and I guarantee his results will change. That's it from me today. See you next week for another episode of Tube Time Tuesday. Happy days. Yewww.